What are some common mistakes to avoid when regrouting tile without removing old grout?
Welcome to today's guide, where we will discuss some of the common mistakes to avoid when regrouting your tile without removing the old grout. Avoiding these mistakes will ensure a smooth, professional finish that will last for years to come.
Not cleaning the existing grout.
The first common mistake is not cleaning the existing grout thoroughly. Any dirt, dust, or grease can prevent the new grout from properly adhering to the old. Prior to regrouting, make sure you give your tile and grout a deep clean.
Skipping the sealer.
Another common mistake is skipping the application of a grout sealer. Grout, by nature, is porous and can absorb water, leading to the growth of mold or mildew over time. After applying the new grout and allowing it to cure, remember to seal it to help prevent water absorption and staining.
Using the wrong type of grout.
One more error that homeowners commonly make is using the wrong type of grout. There are different types of grout: sanded, unsanded, epoxy, and the choice depends on the width of the grout lines, the type of tile, and where the tile is located. Be sure to choose the right type of grout for your specific project.
Rushing the process.
The final common mistake is rushing the process. Regrouting is not a quick job, and trying to speed through the process can result in a messy finish and poor adhesion. Allow plenty of time to complete each step properly, from cleaning the old grout to allowing the new grout and sealer to fully cure. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can regrout your tile without removing the old grout successfully. Remember, patience and preparation are key to achieving a professional result. Good luck with your regrouting project.